Alright guys, today I'm just going to make a quick video. I'm going to be changing out the registration numbers on my jet ski. I just figured it would spruce it up. I'd love to buy a new jet ski, but obviously that's pretty expensive. It's a lot cheaper just to change out the numbers, give it a little refresher. So these are the numbers I currently have, the registration letters and numbers on my jet ski. This is what I had when I bought the ski. They've been good. You know, they haven't really peeled or faded, but I just wanted to make it look a little newer, freshen it up, so that's what they're gonna look like. I just took a random letter that I'm not gonna use, that I didn't mind wasting, and put it right there just to see what it looks like. These are made by Stiffie. Boat PWC registration decals, 3 inches. These are considered clear, so obviously they have the black background. The white area you see now is clear, so when you put it on whatever color boat or ski, the color is going to shine through there, or show through, and so it gives it the same color as the boat or ski with the black shadowing. Okay, I'm going to start removing these letters and numbers, and while I'm at it, I'm going to be replacing the boat registration sticker since I have a new one for 2023. What I'm going to use to get this off, a heat gun and a plastic razor blade. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started. So now that I have the lettering and the numbers off and the registration sticker, I'm going to take some of this goof off and clean the surface before I apply the new stickers. So I could see where my previous lettering and numbers were, so I'm going to take some painter's tape and use that as a guide. Alright, so I'm done with that. I think it turned out pretty good. It definitely gives it a little more sleek, just kind of nice look. More of an updated look as opposed to those old stickers. Eventually I'll buy a new ski, but for now it's about 25 bucks to get it looking a little nicer. Nothing wrong with the ski. I'm going to throw on that registration sticker, and that's it. I hope that this video helped. I am by no means a professional, and I do not get paid for this. I just started jet skiing a couple years ago, and I figure if I can make a couple videos to help other people that are new to the sport out, then hey, I'm glad I can help. Alright guys, have fun, be safe.